you should buy it. I'll probably do that later this month. Similarly, distributed computing for kids and distributed computing for executives are both out as well, and I'm really excited for those too. I think they're pretty great, and you should definitely check them out wherever it is you might get books from. Now, last time we had a few difficulties with the audio, so we're trying a different microphone this time, and we're going to see if it works better. So if you could let me know, if you hear any audio problems, and we'll take a look at those right away. But I'm really excited for those books. They're available anywhere fine books are sold, and less fine books perhaps as well. And in fact, if you're the kind of person who has a corporate credit card and you're like, wow, I would love to buy several copies of these books, you too could go and buy several copies of these books. So you can buy them on Amazon, of course. You can also buy them from me more directly, and you'll get them slower and possibly at a worse price. I need to double check what the prices are on Amazon and update it to match them. But Distributed Computing for Kids is available in print and ebook, and High Performance Spark Second Edition is available in print and ebook, along with, of course, all of the other books. I think they're fantastic, and I love them, and you should definitely check them out. But, and that was not planned, so Mike, thank you so much for letting me, giving me an excuse to talk about them, and I'll talk about them more in a separate stream, in fact, actually. But today, we are going to look at some AI pull requests and some human pull requests, and we're going to try and get things ready and for merging, perhaps if we're lucky, maybe just giving some comments and stuff. So this pull request is by CloudFan, created with Codex, super happy fun times. And it's a follow-up to presumably my PR, yep. Adding the basic transpilation support. And I've got a bunch of other ones, in fact, that I've got, and they're a little bit hidden. Okay, a little bit quiet. Thanks for that feedback. Okay, so we're going to try moving the microphone a little bit more here. And I'm going to see if I switch the mode to this. Let me know if that's any better. If not, the other thing that I can do, we're going to go down here, is that should adjust the audio level too. So thanks for the heads up, Tuggy. And if it doesn't work, let me know, and we'll keep iterating on that together. And so this is sort of it's a later-ish night than I normally stream. I still generally work on Spark stuff pretty late, but I generally don't stream after dinner unless it's like on side project stuff. Oh yeah, I'm so glad it's better. Thank you. Thanks for that feedback. I really appreciate that. Okay, so one of them is we've got this PR, improving source extraction during transpilation. And essentially, there's a bunch of different ways to write functions in Python. And right now, we only really grab super simple ones. Similarly, there's this input evaluation issue, and then scope assignment. This one is already raised upstream. And so we'll actually not focus on that. So this one, though, is improving source extraction during transpilation. I want to take a look at this. And here we go. Yeah. Okay, cool. So, here we go. Future changes, making this change isn't strictly speaking necessary, but yeah. Okay, cool. So, and in fact, actually, this is no longer correct. So we need to fix that. God damn it. Okay. Yeehaw. Okay. Let's get this party started. For values of party and started, which are fairly flexible. Do we have Emacs up already? No, we don't. Okay. Recently rebooted this computer as well. Been doing that a lot more as of late, in part because I tend to SSH to this computer from my laptop to do a lot of things inside of screen sessions, and then occasionally I reboot my desktop instead of rebooting the laptop or shutting down the laptop. So my bad. But okay, so first things first. This is Crazy Pants banana sauce. So actually, wait, which branch are we on? Get branch. There can only be one lambda. That's the name of the branch. It's no longer true, but okay. So line 37 is complete bullshit. Right. That's right. Okay. Um. No. Okay. Um. Yep. 2 tests in um. Uh. Hmm. Are overridden. Here with the documented units test skip. Because they assert restrictions that are removed post transpilation. Okay, cool. Better words. Fantastic. Let's keep going. Yeah, those look reasonable. Okay. And so here, what have we got? Okay. UDF built with transpilation on, asserting it produces options. Yeah, okay, that's seems like an improvement. Okay. And I've got coffee too, so it's a great day. I think the rest of this makes sense. We went through this before. Yeah. Okay, so from tools, partial has no reachable source, so it still falls back. And then test this one's new and would have failed before. Or not failed, it just wouldn't have worked, like transpilation wouldn't have happened. And then the actual transpile logic change is here. And this cleans up some things. Like I had this weird AST info parameter, which wasn't actually super needed, and this simplifies the code a fair amount. Yeah, and this gives us the start end bounds of every instruction. Is that, do we actually use this though? Like I remember reading this, but I didn't actually remember why we needed it. That's never great. I think we just use this for debugging. Let's double check. Resolve lambda pick. Oh no, we use this for more. Okay. The logic extraction's annoying. Okay. Um. Hmm. Uh, this is just so long and not overly. Oh no. Okay. Funk code was compiled from. Yeah, pick that. Um, yeah. It's fine, as we would say. It's in fact, is this under 100 lines? Fantastic. These error messages are much more reasonable. Again, okay. Node enclosure. Okay. AST function def overloads my, okay. 962, give or take. Yeah, okay. Default stripped. Okay, yeah. With um hmm. Deet, 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 deet. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, recompile Lambda code, and this is returns core object. And we use this used to verify code signature correctness after we extract the lambda. Okay. Syntax warnings suppressed. Why is this here? Why is this here? Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Not thread safe. Yeah. Okay. Okay, code signature. Cover signature. Yeah. I think we can simplify this a fair amount again. Ooh, let me be right back. So that happened much faster than I was expecting. I was really hoping we'd have a bit more time. So I'm going to try and wrap up this one in the last little 3 seconds or 3 minutes. Uh, yeah. Doot. File lambda candidates. Doot. Okay. Doot. Okay. 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 Yes, very well. This seems like a reasonable improvement, and then get function from AST. Yeah. Defs and lambdas handled in separate paths. Okay. Clean up verbose text. I think this one's ready, but I'm going to raise it as a draft into main just in case. So let's go ahead and do that. And so this is the branch that we were going to raise here. Where was it? Okay, I guess. Okay, yeah, fine. Yeah, let's go back here. Let's go here. Pull requests. New pull request. Compare across forks. Base is going to be Holden. Branch is going to be, there can only be one lambda, which is no longer true. That was my initial planned fix, was only one lambda. Add co-author.sh, git push force with release, and there we go. Great. Verb. Okay. Create pull request. We're going to go, this is going to move to craft. We're going to grab this title here. And then we're going to copy the markdown here. Yes, Quad 5. Too much of the authoring. Okay, cool. And so we are going to make this as a work in progress. And then I'll re-verify this some more later. So that's cool. This is up next. We can close these two. Mark, raise arrows, throwable. This is already open upstream. GitHub.com. Pull requests. Yeah, this is already open upstream. I guess we did this one. Where did we leave off? This is touching a frankly unreasonable number of yeah, okay, this is not actually what that PR looks like at all. This happens because GitHub is not very good at handling push, git, checkout. So the problem is I've got this merge pull request and the problem is here, it's not recalculating it off of the latest. Let's do a shift reload and see if it does. Files changed 8. Fantastic. Okay. And so add basic assignment and scope grabbing. This was, yeah, actually, was this one pretty good? I think this one was pretty good. I do want to check this a bit more though before we raise it. Namely, was it here? Freeware. Yeah. Okay, this one got a bit confusing. Okay, this one we'll circle back to, and so we're actually, I'm lazy. We're gonna, in my little fork, get Copilot to take a review pass on it, and we'll do that before we raise it. This is the one. This is the one that I've been going back and forth on for a while, and I think it is finally ready. Yeah, we got it simplified a fair amount now. And so it's less crazy pants banana sauce. Like earlier, it was just doing just like a ridiculous amount of like sort of just crazy stuff when we asked the robot to. And I think we went through that in the last PR, and not last PR, in the last review session. And so that was just like not great. I don't know. Do I want to raise this? Do I want to raise this immediately? I mean, we've been through it a few times. I think it's okay to raise it as work in progress. Because we've been through this before. Yeah, I think I'm okay raising this as work in progress. And so we will do that. And then I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to come back tomorrow. Yeah, this one's amazing. Love it. Maybe I'll come back later tonight and work on that some more. Actually, we'll see. Yeah. So it's been 30 minutes, 25 minutes. I might come back later on tonight and keep working. Probably not though. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Yeah, okay, wait, no. Sorry, going back and forth on this one. This one will wait. This one I think is good to go. It's ready to be raised, at least as work in progress. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna go here, new pull request, compare across forks. Holden. And so we'll do this one as work in progress. It's the second time, or more than the second time that we together are looking at this. So we're going to tag this as work in progress. Yeah, goddamn it, Claude. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this one is ready. It's way more than the second time I'm looking at it. So many times. I don't actually, this is one of the ones where it's like, I don't actually know if doing this with Claude was any faster, because it took me down sort of a weird rabbit hole. And in retrospect, like, I don't actually know if this was faster. If it would have just been faster to add the projection myself, because we went down this like weird rabbit hole with so architecture astronaut sort of vibes. So, but we're still, this one we're also going to do as a draft, and let's make this work in progress too. And I just want to make sure that it still passes and take one last final look through it, which we might do together tonight, all of us. And actually, we could raise this. This one I want to go through together, all of us once more, because I don't know. It's yeah. I want to come back to this one. So I think we will. So what we'll come back to is this one. We'll do a code review of this one. Oh, wait, no. Meow. Sorry, I just want to yeah, so we'll do a code review of this one probably tomorrow. And then yeah, it'll be great. Maybe later tonight, but probably tomorrow. We'll do a code review of this. Hopefully CI will be finished. It normally takes about 2 hours. So we'll do a code review of this tomorrow. Okay, party on, y'all. Have a great one. Thanks for joining. Thanks, Toggy, for letting me know about the sound. And thanks, Mike, for congratulations on the book. I really appreciate it. Super great. We'll do more soon. Where is my stop button? Oh, wait, yeah. I made a stop button. Here. Oh, okay. It doesn't actually stop. It just switches to ending stream.